that India is located in such a location that on one side of it there is cultivation in global golden crescent, and on the other side there is a golden triangle. In those two areas, lot of opium cultivation take place, and lot of production of heroin also happens in this area. So India is traditionally remained a transit route or consumption center. Of late, we have noticed not only heroin is getting smuggled in or smuggled out of the country, but other kind of narcotic drugs like cocaine and synthetic drugs is also being smuggled into India from land borders like Myanmar or Bangladesh border. But other than that, also there are some factories which have been busted by law enforcement agencies in India for manufacture of synthetic drugs, and big cases of drug smuggling through ports in containerized cargo has also been noticed in past. So if lot of drugs are coming in the country or being produced in the country, there is a lot of consumption which is also happening in the country, and government is committed to end this evil and take all possible steps for curbing menace of drugs. And for that, uh, monitoring is being done from central level and state level and at district level. So there are four trial structure for dealing with drug menace in the country. And the aim of the government is to make the India Nasha Mukt Bharat. And in that direction, lot of cases have been booked by Customs Department and DRI in last year or in the current year also. And if so much quantity of drugs is being seized, it becomes imperative for the government to take steps for destruction of such drugs so that it does not find way back in the streets. So in that direction, today's this drug destruction drive has been launched, and today we are destroying 9,000 kgs of ganja and something like 1.31 crore
1.51.
1.51 crores cigarette sticks. And this cigarette smuggling is also rampant through Myanmar border, mainly from Myanmar border. And these cigarettes packets do not carry that statutory warning on the harm of tobacco consumption, and therefore these are being destroyed today. So in that direction, CBIC has taken concerted steps for drug destruction in last year. In last year, almost 67 metric tons of drugs have been destroyed. Out of that, something like 59,000 was ganja and 3,500 kgs of heroin. And among the synthetic drugs, mainly it was methamphetamine and metrazole. So these drugs have been destroyed, and this year also this drive is continuing. And in the month of October, from 2nd October to 31st October, we are running a special campaign 3 for cleanliness. That is cleanliness of our surroundings, office premises, not by way of only removing the garbage, but by way of disposal of public grievances also. So whatever public grievances were received by us, or the appeals against that received by us, 90 more than 90% has already been disposed of. And as you know, that government has switched over to e-office working, and therefore the fresh generation of paper waste is much less now. And CBIC has taken upon itself for destruction of drugs to clear up the space and to make or work in towards the directions of Nasha Mukt Bharat. And this year also, this drive is in full swing. In this campaign, during this campaign, something like in cigarettes, we have already destroyed 1.5 crore sticks of cigarettes, and something like 358 kgs of other narcotic drugs. And today we are destroying something like 9,000 kgs of ganja.